In order to get ready to play video on a page, I've gone ahead and used my basic document structure here with the cursor flashing in the body.
This video is brought to you by OppiePie's Academy.
I've also got a file called sample.mp4. This is a free sample video that I'm going to include with the files, and it's one you can find all over the net. It's a video that people commonly use to test video capabilities in a browser. Now, the video tag works very similarly to the audio tag. So we start with opening the video tag and then using the controls attribute and setting controls equal to controls. This will put the onboard video player from the browser in which your file's being displayed on the screen. It'll also put the play button, the pause button, etc. And just like audio, each browser has a slightly different video controller. All right, let's add our source tag and then src, where we'll set the actual source, which is sample.mp4. All right, there we go. Believe it or not, that's all we need to play our video within the browser. Let's go ahead and try this. Let's try it first in Chrome. And I can hit play right here. And there you can see our friend, the animated rabbit, stretching and getting ready. We've got the video slider here. We've got the volume control and a full screen control, which some browsers have, which will enable the video to go full screen. We could play the same thing, for example, on the Safari browser from Apple. And the video player is going to look just slightly different because, again, Apple coded their particular video player a little bit differently from the way the folks at Google did with Chrome. So there we are in Safari. There's our player and controls, but the video plays essentially the same. Now we can use, if we want to, a little bit of CSS with our video player. For example, if I gave it the ID vid like this, I could use that ID in a style sheet in order to control various aspects of the video. For example, let's use the vid selector with the pound sign because it's an ID. We could set the width of the video to, let's say, 320 pixels. Now, if you remember the size before, and we go ahead and again look at the video in one of our browsers, let's use Google Chrome, you'll notice that the size of the video has been adjusted. Now it's 320 pixels across, just like we indicated here in the vid style rule. Now, if you're going to use a smaller video, you really ought to re-optimize the video itself because we're actually still playing on HD video in this little bit of space, so we're wasting a lot of bandwidth by doing it this way. But that just gives you one example of how you can access the video element with CSS. So we've used the video element, we've added controls, and we've added a source tag, which indicates the source of our video file, in this case an MP4, and then we modified the appearance of the video using our cascading style sheet.